Question is, evaluate limit 2 sin square x plus sin x minus 1 divided by 2 sin square x minus 3 sin x plus 1. It is in the form of 0 by 0 form. Why it is 0 by 0? Suppose you will put the value of x tends to pi by 6 everywhere in numerator and denominator. We will get this all term as a 0 and these all terms as a 0. So that is why it is called 0 by 0 form. This is the function, a limit of functions. So how will we calculate it? We can't put the direct x tends to pi by 6 in over here. We can't put, because we have to simplify it first, then we will put the value of x tends to pi by 6. So we'll write it as given that limit 2 sin square x plus sin x minus 1 divided by 2 sin square x minus 3 sin x plus 1, where x tends to pi by 6. Then limit x tends to pi by 6. We will factorize it. This term. So we will get it 2 sin square x plus this one 2 sin x minus sin x. Suppose we will calculate it. 2 sin x minus sin x, we will get plus sin x. So here plus minus 1 and 2 sin square x minus 2 sin x minus sin x minus 2 sin x minus sin x 3 sin x minus plus 1. We'll again limit x tends to pi by 6. Take the common of 2 sin x. 2 sin x here, then we will get only sin x plus 1. 2 sin x common plus here minus 1 common, sin x plus 1 divided by here also 2 sin x common, take it outside, 2 sin x, then it will get sin x minus 1 and take the value of minus 1 or minus 1 common, sin x minus 1. Then limit x tends to pi by 6. In these also sin x plus 1 is common, sin x plus 1 common, then we get 2 sin x minus 1 divided by here also sin x minus 1, sin x minus 1 is common, take outside, then we will have sin x minus 1. You can see it 2 sin x minus 1, 2 sin x minus 1, it will be cancelled. So we will get limit x tends to pi by 6 sin x plus 1 divided by sin x minus 1. Now we can take the we can put the value of x tends to pi by 6 in numerator and denominator. So we'll write here sin, what is the value of x? X tends to pi by 6 plus 1 and sin pi by 6 minus 1. So what is the value of sin pi by 6? Sin pi by 6 is a 30 degree. So sin pi by 6, the value of sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 minus 1. So we will get it 2, 1 plus 2 divided by 2, 1 minus 2, 2 cancel, 3 by minus 1 is equal to minus 3. This is the answer of this question. Understand?